Hello and welcome to Psych Central's Ask the Therapist. I'm Dr. Dan Tomasulo, and this is my friend and colleague, Dr. Marie Hartwell-Walker.
Dan, this letter is representative of maybe a half a dozen I have in this stack, where the writer is saying, I've tried therapy, it didn't work.
Right.
I'm in therapy now, it's not helping me.
Right.
I have a long-term depression, I tried therapy 5 years ago, it didn't help. And we get a number of these letters every day of people who have a serious problem and have tried therapy, and for either it's not working or worse, it made things worse, or whatever. And yet they're writing to us.
Yeah, sure.
Which I also find heartening.
Yes.
So how would you respond? And let's talk a little bit about what people should do when therapy isn't working.
Well, one of the things that jumps out at me with these letters, because I get a bunch of them too, and is the courage and resilience that the person has in even writing us. You know, so they've had a string of things that hasn't worked out, and yet there's something inherently powerful inside of them that's looking for a change, looking for correction. They're on a quest with this, and one of the first things I would say is I would honor that the person is looking, challenging themselves, trying to find the right fit, so to speak, or the right connection. And I think that's really the deal, you know.
Yeah.
And you have some.
Well, I can't tell you the number of times I've said to people, you've made a very important first step in writing to us.
Yeah.
And I will encourage you to try again.
Yes.
Because one of my friends who was an intake worker came up with a very nice metaphor.
Right.
She would say to people who've express this kind of reservation.
Right.
Look, when you go to the store to try on a new pair of jeans, do you take home the first pair you try on?
Right.
Or do you try
Right.
on several pairs of jeans, and then the one that fits
Right.
is the one that you take home?
Yeah.
The fact is that the most or the strongest predictor of whether therapy will be successful is the connection with the therapist and the client. And you know that within about 3 minutes.
Yep.
Can I trust this person? Is this okay? And I just encourage people to go for an initial interview, maybe 2 or 3 of them.
Yes.
And most therapists will offer a free consultation or low-cost consultation, and to find a therapist that you feel like understands you, and that there's some intuitive connection. So by all means, it's such a testament to inner strength that someone would write to try again. It's a first step to trying again.
Yeah.
And then I would encourage the person, now take the second step. Make that call, and maybe make 2 or 3 calls.
Yeah.
And find the person who's going to be really helpful to you.